Good morning class, welcome to Science PT School. This is a science class and in previous class we already have started with the question and answer of chapter 3, that is current and electricity. So now today and already we have covered up to question number 3 and today we are going to start with the question number 4. So first question is the following table shows current in amperes and potential difference in volts. Okay, so what you have to do on the basis of this table, several questions has been asked here. So first question is find the average resistance. What is average resistance? So what is the formula of R? R is equal to volt by current. I is here current. Volt is already given here. Current is already given here. So you can take out the current one by one, value of resistance one by one. By help of this table, you can see when 4 by 9 the value will be 0.44. When 5 by 11.25 the value will be 0.44, and when 6 by 13.5 the value will be 0.44. Therefore the average resistance, in the case of average resistance, when the resistance are connected in a series, R1 plus R2 plus R3, and you can add all those by 3 number of cells, so 3, so you can calculate average resistance. Okay. Now next question is what will be the nature of the graph between the current and the potential difference? Do not draw a graph. Okay, so you don't need to draw a graph for this. What will be the nature of the graph between the current and potential difference? So you have to actually show the graph here. So how you will show here, you can see the nature of the graph between the current and the potential difference will be straight line passing through a origin 0 0. Now why it is the straight line? Because as in the question it's written here, okay, so as you can see 0.44, 0.44 and 0.44 resistance is common in three of them, you can see here. तो nature of the graph between the current and the potential difference, you can, तो जब आप देख रहे हो कि what is the resistance क्या है, तीनों में common आ रहा है, it means वोल्ट और जो करंट है दोनों को constant किया गया है, इसीलिए in that case what will happen under constant temperature and physical and the current flowing through a conductor, okay, the potential difference will be straight line passing through origin 0 0. Why this is so? Because in the question you can see what the question is what will be the nature of the graph between the current and potential difference. तो आप जब भी ऐसा देखोगे value that it's you can see through the this resistivity वैल्यू, यू कैन सी देर इज अ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. अगर आप जब तीनों को डिवाइड करोगे तो यू आर गेटिंग आर कांस्टेंट. सो वी बाय आई क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, आर कांस्टेंट, तो स्ट्रेट लाइन आएगा. ओके. Third is question is which law will the graph prove, explain the law. So answer is from Ohm's. Okay, so answer is the graph proves Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that under constant temperature and physical condition the current flowing through a conductor is always proportional to the potential difference across it. जब V जो है वो हमेशा क्या होगा, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू करंट होगा. अगर V बढ़ता है तो I भी बढ़ेगा. ओके, V अगर घटेगा तो R भी घटेगा. Okay. So this is the graph is showing the Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that under constant temperature and physical condition the current flowing through a conductor is always proportional to potential difference across it. Okay. Okay, now next question is match the pair A group, B group. A group is having several options and B group is also having several options. So first is free electrons, second is current, B increase the resistance in the circuit, resistivity, weakly attached, resistance in the series, VA by LI. So now for free electrons you can look keep here weakly attached. So yes, free electrons are those electrons which is present in the outermost layer of the atoms, जो सबसे बाहरी लेयर पे होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन. देज आर वेरी फ्री टू इच अदर, वीकली अटैच होते हैं, इसीलिए दे कैन मूव इजिली. They are very weakly attached to the central part, that is neutron, or you can say nucleus. Now current, for a current you can choose V by R, because current is equal to V by R, because the R is equal to V by I. So you can say current is equal to V by R. Okay, resistivity is increase the resistance in the circuit. No, resistivity does not increase the resistance in this resistivity can increase the resistance in the circuit, I think. Okay, so for resistivity you can choose VA by LI, बिकॉज एरिया से वो इनडायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. and okay, so area is indirectly proportional to I, और लेंथ से अगर लेंथ बढ़ेगा तो रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा, तो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है, यू नो दैट. So now fourth option is resistance in a series. So increase the resistance in a circuit. अगर resistance series में लगाया हुआ है तो individually कुछ affect नहीं पड़ेगा. It will what will happen in resistance जो होगा वो increase हो जाएगा automatically. But अगर resistance is connected in a parallel way, it will not tell you that what is going to be held. रेजिस्टेंस एक वायर का रेजिस्टेंस उतना ही रहेगा, R1 की अलग वैल्यू रहेगी, R2 की अलग वैल्यू रहेगी, R3 की अलग वैल्यू रहेगी. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंट वैल्यू फॉर ईच ऑफ देम. बट क्या होता है व्हेन इट इज कनेक्टेड इन अ सीरीज, द वैल्यू इज कैलकुलेटेड एंड एवरेज रेजिस्टेंस इज देयर. ओके. Now third question number 6, resistance of a conductor of a length x is R. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है some conductor wire of the length x is having the value of resistance R. If its area of cross section is A, what is the resistivity and what is the unit? Okay, so resistivity is equal to rho L by A length area. Now area is not given but cross section is given, and you can see the length is also given here. So you can find out the area. Here L is equal to x, R is equal to R, and area is equal to A. Cross section area is given A. Therefore P is equal to RA by x. Length क्या हो जाएगा? R into A. Okay. R into A by x. X is the area. Sorry, x is the length. Okay. RA by x you can write here. Rho. Okay. Rho is equal to RA by x. ओके. सो यूनिट ऑफ द रो को हटा के द यूनिट ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी इज ओम मीटर. ओम मीटर में वैल्यू आएगी इसकी. सो व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल वैल्यू? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू लेंथ पर एरिया. लेंथ इज गिवन हियर, एरिया इज गिवन हियर. सो okay, I think there should be some mistake. X by RA should be the answer, but yes, what is the confusion here? Length is X, correct? X is R, and if its area of cross section is A, what is the resistivity? So yes, it will be RA, correct? Okay, RA by X. और ओके, रो इधर ही रहा है, एंड यस, व्हाट हैपन इन दिस, एरिया इस साइड चला गया है और एल यहाँ पे, क्योंकि वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन. रो इज अ रेजिस्टिविटी. ओके. रेजिस्टेंस इज गिवन आर, एरिया इज गिवन ए, एल इज गिवन एक्स. तो एरिया को हम इधर ले जाएंगे, आर ए बाई एल. रो की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? आर ए बाई एल. ओके. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड आउट. तो अगर इफ द वैल्यू इज नॉट गिवन, इफ द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू विल गिवन, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो यू कैन फाइंड आउट द रेजिस्टिविटी. यूनिट क्या हो जाएगा? ओम मीटर. ओके, क्योंकि ओम मीटर रेजिस्टेंस ओम एंड फॉर लेंथ मीटर, सो ओम मीटर विल बी द वैल्यू. Okay, so we have done up to question number 6. Now in next class what we are going to go with the rest of the question answer. So now what you are going to do, you just start writing down question and answer. Also start learning the question answer with writing, because you all know that very soon you are going to have your second term examination. So you should start for the preparation. First of all, go through the chapter. If you're still not clear with some points, like some specific term, you can WhatsApp me. I will explain you regarding that. And what you are going to do, first of all, go through the chapter, and after that you go for the question and answer. Write down question and answer, start learning it, and also try for the coming question and answer, so that you should be clear कि आपको इसमें क्या करना है. If like once time you should attempt for the question and answer. If you are not still able not to do that, then we are providing with the video of question and answer also. So but what I want, actually you should also try for the first to solve all the question answers self. Okay, so in next class we will do rest of the question and answer. Till the time, take care and bye bye.